Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to summarize a YouTube video using OpenAI Chatgpt. Whether we want quick notes, key takeaways, or a short overview of a long YouTube video, we can follow these simple steps to get a clear and concise summary in minutes. Let's walk through an example. We have Chatgpt open. Next, we will open a new tab to go to YouTube. Here, we will select a video we want to summarize. Let's pick one from the list. This video is 36 minutes long. We will right-click on it and copy the link address. We will go back to our Chatgpt window. We type in a simple prompt asking Chatgpt to summarize the video. Then we paste in the link and press enter. Chatgpt will now summarize the video by searching for it and analyzing its content. As we can see, here is the summary. The video follows a couple living in a van, traveling, camping, and enjoying simple moments on the road. In this episode, Dr. Eitan Trent and his girlfriend set up a camp at a beach, prepare a meal together, relax, and play games. That is the summary of the video. And that is how we use Chatgpt to quickly summarize YouTube videos and get the main points without watching the whole thing. Give it a try with your next video to save time and learn faster.